So a lot of times people ask us, should they get casement windows or double hung windows, which casement windows are the type that crank out and double hung windows are the type that slide up and down. And one of their questions is, well, which one costs more? And the honest answer is the casement window, the crank out style, is a little bit more expensive than the double hung, because the double hung is a gravity window. It works off of a anti-tension balance or spring type system, whereas a casement window is a mechanized window, so it's got a gearing system that cranks it open and close. And so that's a little bit more costly, particularly in our version of the business, because there's several different grades of hardware you can buy. And you can buy grade 1, which is the lowest, cheapest, and expensive, cruddy one, if you will, or grade 10, which is the highest end you can get. We actually work with grade 9, so it's just right below the very best. I kind of feel the very best is a little overkill, but this way we're able to give a lifetime warranty even on the mechanism. So you don't ever have that issue where you crank your window open and you can't crank it closed or something like that, because it's very high grade hardware. But quality cost, and so you have to pay a little bit more for it, but it's not dynamic or dramatic or whatever. Why is a triple glass window, what's the selling point of that? And the selling point of that is it's more efficient. But one of the downsides is it's an additional pane of glass that you're paying for. And then they put coatings or tints on the glass called low E tint or low emissivity tint, which is a heat reflecting tint and reflects heat to its source. And the more layers of glass you have, the more coatings you have, and the more cost associated with that. But over time, the efficiency, it's like, I just always use as an example, it costs more to insulate a house. If you buy a house and you don't insulate it, it's going to cost you more to heat and cool it. It's not going to cost as much in the first month as the insulation cost, but over time you'll spend way more money on heating and cooling that house than you will on just the insulation. Same thing with the windows. If you get the additional layer of glass and you get the additional low E coatings, they cost more up front, but over time they will way, way, way pay for themselves and more.